Good morning, guys. You know what? Yesterday, diba? So, recently recently na lang kasi I don't know when I upload this, but I went to an interesting expo, which is basically not expo but a congress. That's the Philippine Cacao 2024 Congress. So it's the gathering of Filipinos involved in the cacao and chocolate industry. So Philippine chocolate and cacao and chocolate industry. So we love chocolates. We grow up eating chocolates, diba? Pero mostly that's branded na dili atua, mga Cadbury, Hershey's, what else, mga M&M's, diba? So amazing in a chocolate. We've been eating chocolate, but do you know that we also have some of the best chocolates on tap, diba? We have a chocolate industry. I mean, cacao is a natural product here in the Philippines, and I guess this is one of the trusts that our government, with the DTI, Department of Agriculture, cacao is like it became a priority crop to grow, diba? And to develop this industry, because we've been drinking Sequate there. That's our native chocolate, diba? Hot chocolate, diba? But na may mga local chocolate companies like sa una mga Surge, diba? Even Chocnut, but lahi ra gyud na kanikaron that they're trying to make kanang chocolates like how they do it abroad, mga 60%, 70%, 80%, even 90% dark chocolate. O diba, so mangingana ba maghimo ta ba milk chocolate na atong own, mga chocolate with almonds. People are developing that, diba? So diba, kaysa mapalit ang imported, why not try our chocolates, diba? Kanang local na to na chocolate, di lang tabliya, di lang chocolate, but really chocolate products. So manang nalipay ko na I saw that event. I've seen different regions innovating, showing off their chocolate creations. Like for example, a Cordillera, we have that in the ones in Bicol, the ones in siya ko mga taga Iloilo, I mean taga Aklan, taga Ormoc, even taga Bataan, diba? Well, kayo Cotabato, and of course the number one producer, which is Davao. Diba? Davao gid number one in Pilipinas. So but at least ba nag-grow siya, especially during the pandemic when I interviewed some of the participants. Many of them started their business during the pandemic. Diba? And there's also government support, a rapid program by the Department of Trade and Industry. So murabag naman din mga programa ng gobyerno ba na kaya na to, sometimes we just don't know about, especially because we're not in the industry, we're not watas farming, wata na mag chocolate, but there are industries na gisuportahan sa gobyerno, and I think I'm happy to learn about it, and also to spread the word. Now, of course, if you're a cacao farmer, I think naghankag makuhang training, I mean, even seedlings and benefits from the government. So, naagid na. Sometimes malipay taba naman when I see that there are some projects to the government, although wala to makita, di kita ka-relate, but the point is, they're trying to develop gihapon mga industries. They spend billions there, but I think ang results man sad are pretty much outstanding, or astounding, or outstanding even. Diba? Pretty much wow, I've seen mga products na chocolates ba na wow, hindi mga chocolate sa Pilipinas. So yung mga produkto na hopefully dapat nato i-appeal og market na. Now, even if someday maka-develop na tago sa company like like a Cadbury, diba? Sometimes we might dream, but hey, we have have cacao. Oh, we have, that's a chocolate plant. Di ba mo rin ingana ba na we can, di ba, we can dream, but of course, you know, sometimes mali pasalamat tala na mo suporta yung gobyerno. If you wanna develop industries, there should be a coordination with the government. O di ba, kaya mga industries na dali lang mo sprout, mas nindot pa lang nasa yung mga kauban, mas nindot pa lang daghan sila na mamaligya o gingani, di ba, ma-develop na naigamayng competition, naigamayng kuan ba, some sort of competition, but also some sort of camaraderie, learning from each other, di ba? More technology transfer, di ba? Or mentoring, helping each other, di ba? So parang pilar ba chocolate makers, and hopefully you can send scholars sa mga Pinoy, ba? Maybe sa abroad, kanang leading chocolate countries, and to learn more about the techniques, the technology that's available. Pero at least pa naagit tayo nakita na somehow resulta, and I'm hoping, and I wanna urge you to support mga local chocolates. Although wala ang ubang challenges, wa pa yung mga distribution, wa pa ma-distribute, wa pa distribution network, online pa lang, pero wala ba na, hopefully na makalisan ato mga retail companies will start, you know, teaming up with them or helping them, you know, reach broader markets or mainstream markets. Kasi sometimes nindot lang online, di ba, na order, but tayo man lang readily available. For example, mga magpagasolina ko sa kagasolina, let's say sa Shell, or I go to a 7-Eleven, I see Philippine chocolate, di ba, lahi ng nga na makaon ako diretso, di ba, kuwat ko pila ka adlaw, pakakaibaw, di mo abot, tugay mo abot, malanay. Nga na ba na magigiwa gitarong og handle, so di naikuan ba, naikuan mani challenge na ba, mani lisod, so manang nindot na kanang atong ano, nindot na naman pag atong encourage, atong suportahan, di ba? Di ba? Okay. I've tasted some awesome chocolates. Kanang chocolates a day, sometimes it can gives you more, it opens your mind sometimes, or mag sugar writing ka na, you know, your juices are flowing, kasi katawa, of course, it makes you happy. Di na nangyali kung ma-depress ang mga tao, bigay birada sila chocolate, kaya it's like the happy pill siya, happy hormones, mag-release siya happy hormones. So mga that's what I learned yesterday. Ako na dito sa waterfront, and the Congress is going to be July 31, but at least ba na nagdirig held for the first time, because normally sa Davao because Davao is really the cacao and chocolate capital of the Philippines. That's really not to malalis, because I think the region, so well, I think 70% of the chocolate and cacao comes from kana na region, di ba? Ang region 7, mga 1 to 2% na ubang regions. Imagine, nagbahay na lang tatanan sa marabag sa 30%, because one region is dominating. But at least ba, pagtanaw na ko, I mean, all regions have been represented tingali at gahapon, marabag. So I've seen chocolates from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I tasted it. So lami sa ang ilang magipanghimo, pero dili sa kuka kuan ba, ma-overwhelmed sa kung daghang lagi kagdilawan, pero yeah, enjoy yun kay ko. I think, I don't know, hopefully makapalik ko unya to buy some chocolates, because you know, they deserve sales as well. So para kuan ba, and it was it's nice getting to know them. So hopefully marang uban creating, I don't know kung kuan ba yun na PR ba na nila or kuan, but some are really doing this to help local farmers. Mausa na mamasay nakanindot lang ana ba na uban mo tabang yun sa local farmers, mabalik na po lang kakakaw, mga pila lang cacao o nasa iban makuha gyud na, and many there grow their cacao o na may mga namit na sila ginagpatubo silang cacao, and even they're thriving, di ba? So mali na kanindot. Mali na naghaglaming chocolate sa Pilipinas, and hopefully pag tinabangay ta, magsuportahay ta ani na industry, di ba? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you na sa susunod na to drive, maglaag-laag. See you, bye.